Hello, I'm Salo, and here I present novel findings about visually guided foraging. It has been argued that visual search represents a simple and controlled model of three-dimensional naturalistic foraging behavior. To examine this suggestion, we have broken it into two distinct questions. We first query whether small-scale or 2D search translates to large-scale or 3D search. Early search paradigms require us to search for our target amongst distractors, where single feature search, using one feature such as color, is less effortful than conjunction of feature search, using color and shape. Previous investigations of search mechanisms in large-scale space have used very different approaches and provide equivocal findings. Moreover, prior research has not systematically examined how visual cues might guide large-scale foraging-like search. Our second question is whether we can create a model of foraging that emulates search behavior within a naturalistic setting. Foraging requires an innate balance between exploitation and exploration when searching for resources to optimize energy utilization and preservation. It has been proposed that this dimension lies at the root of human cognitive control, and that executive functions have their basis in the processes that support search. Measuring the cognitive functions that are associated with search performance will provide an ecologically valid insight into the relationship between foraging-like decisions in large-scale space and cognitive control. We have created a novel environment in immersive virtual reality where participants can physically explore without wires. They are presented with an array of containers distributed across many tables, which act as distinct patches. Their task is to search for hidden red balls, and they are required to obtain as many as they can in 60 seconds. In single feature conditions, containers are distinguished by color only. In a conjunction condition, containers can be one of two shapes and two colors, and targets can be found beneath two unique combinations. Across 4 experiments, we manipulated the instructions provided to participants and whether targets were to be found under all cued items or only some. Participants also completed a cognitive battery, including measures of executive function and spatial working memory. We found that search was more efficient in single feature conditions, irrespective of whether participants received explicit instruction about how to search or not. This suggests that fully motile large-scale search is guided by visual features in similar ways to 2D search, despite the additional information provided by other cues, such as idiothetic body movement, as well as the requirement to serially inspect each item. Search organization and success was also moderated by individual difference, as executive function and spatial working memory were associated with efficiency. This supports theory that search decisions share features with domain-general cognitive mechanisms. Overall, we have found that all aspects of both visual search and idiothetic cues are essential.